Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my print Pression weeks, and boy, this baby is chunky. I'm just about at the end. I've got a few more weeks left and I'll have to order another one. Can't wait. I think I'm going to try the B6 this time around for a little bit more space. I'm using this kit from Pink Polka Dot Lily. It's called Autumn Moments, and it's a B6 kit, so it fits the print Pression weeks very nicely because of the smaller boxes. You have absolutely everything that you would need in a kit. You have 8 boxes, your sidebar, your Monday, Tuesday, your date covers, your habit trackers, some little flags, some headers, 2 sets of headers, some more headers for the sidebar, some functional, some layering pieces, checklists, and look at, there's a ton, just a ton of half, quarter, and labels. I chose it in gold foil, but you can choose one of 35 different foil colors. This is my freebie that you receive if you put Jody in notes. You also get a 20% discount if you put Jody20. The link for the shop will be down below. So let's go ahead and get into planning. Of course, I didn't take my stuff out. I need this for cutting washi, and this, and where are my tweezers? And my tweezers. Normally I have all this out, so I apologize. I'm also going to be using this washi with the kit. It's from Simply Gilded. I think it matches perfectly. And I brought in some clips from the Inspired Peach in gold and light pink, and these are just stunning. I love them. Also, while I'm mentioning it, Pink Polka Dot Lily is included in Graceful Muse Paperies, a Graceful Holiday box. It's a Christmas box, an Advent, and this shop is in it as well. So you'll have to check the link below to find that. You're absolutely going to love what's in the box, so make sure you grab it. And it's, you know, most of the stuff in the box is exclusive to the box, and you won't be sorry that you got it. So these clips, or that shop will also be in it. So let's get started. We'll put the date covers in. I don't know if you can see her, but Gidget's on my lap. She's decided she wants to sit on me while I'm filming today. I just did a haul, and she decided that she needs to be on my lap all day long. What you doing? Want to smell? Yep, that's my new stickers, but you can't have them. You can't have them. So we're well into fall. Yesterday was the first day of fall. I'm filming this early. It's only Wednesday. But I was up here doing the haul, so I figured I might as well do everything all at once. And I love these kits. They're absolutely stunning, and the foiling is always perfect. April just kills it with these kits all the time. She's changing her PP weeks. She's phasing those out of the shop, and she'll be using these so that it's more inclusive for different planners, because not only can you use them in a B6 or an A5 or print PP weeks, you can also use them in a vertical planner. The boxes will be shorter, but that will give you much more space in your planner for planning. As you know, we all need that, except of course when we're in the pandemic and we have 0 plans at all because nothing's open. So let me just finish getting these down. So I've been doing question and answers for the last few videos, and I didn't bring any up with me today, so you're going to have me being very boring talking. Which header should I use? I like the bows, but I really like this green one too. It ties the green into the kit. I think I'm going to go with the floral, the leaves. Now if I can get them down straight, that'd be great, because you know that I can't lay any stickers straight, especially when I'm far away from my planner because the dog is on my lap. I really should see if some of the girls from the from the shop would like to do a collab on YouTube, because quite a few of us are on YouTube. That would be nice. We show our different planning styles and different planners for the kit. I love that it's fall now, so I can start bringing in fall kits, because it's one of my favorite times of the year to plan. The colors are so pretty. And I think I've bought so many kits. I have far too many for fall, but I just want all the art. So I had more than enough, and I ordered like 5 more this week. So I'm gonna have way too many. I'm gonna have enough for next year. Or maybe I should start another planner. What do you think? You can never have too many planners, right? I don't know what I'll plan in it, but I could do that. Shall we take a vote below? Shall I start another planner? I think that was crooked. Okay, that's the last of the headers down. And then I'm going to put the washi down. Oh boy, the last one's going to give me grief. So are you pumpkin spice, or are you apple cider, or are you neither? You stick with tea or coffee. I know my friend Cricket's like a coffee girl, no matter what. And I love coffee too, but when it comes to this weather, when it comes to fall, it's pumpkin spice, as much as I can get. I'm not a huge cider person, but I will drink it. Once in a while I'll have a glass, or should I say mug, but I don't heat it. You know what the real good thing is that pumpkin spice Baileys will be out very shortly. I always try to get one of those, put it in my coffee, a nice treat. Okay, so that's the washi down. Look how pretty it looks. What shall we do as the theme box? I'm going to put the one with the pages. Normally I would put a side tracker, but there's 8 boxes and I want to use them. So I bring it right to the top. And let me put a header in because I'm going to have space. Oh, you know what? I'm going to use the This Week one instead, seeing as I have it. Boy, everybody's out and about. It's a gorgeous day today, so you're hearing sports cars and motorcycles go up and down the street. Any given day we can have horses and golf carts and fast cars going up and down the street. Life in a small town. And I wouldn't change it for the world. What you doing, kiddo? What you doing, kiddo? You mommy's girl? You my best girl? I was watching YouTube and Emily Catherine Plans, and she has a dog, and her name's Noelle, and she let her pick her kit last week. I thought that was so cute. She put a bunch of kits down, and whichever one the dog went to the most, she used that kit for the week. I thought that was adorable. If I put one of them down, Gidget would probably try to bite it, and then I'd have to be out a sticker kit. So this is my PR planner normally, but seeing as I'm putting all these stickers in it this week, I'm going to just be able to mark minimal in it. I also use my B6 Traveler's Notebook for PR in my sale work. It's more detailed, more space that I can use. It has notes pages with it. So this one sits beside me, beside the couch, so that I can pick it up when I need it to make a note. Just quick reminders of what I need to do on certain days, and that's generally what I use the sidebar tracker for, is I mark what shop I'm posting for on what day. Oops. So Thanksgiving, or Canadian Thanksgiving, is coming up very quickly. If you're Canadian, are you going to be doing something big? Something extended with family? It's kind of a funny time again this year. They're doing more restrictions from COVID because the numbers are rising here in southern Ontario. Oh boy. So there's going to be some changes again to what's open, or how many people you can gather with. I feel sorry for the people who had weddings planned, and you know, if you lose a loved one, you can't have a proper funeral anymore to say goodbye. Although a friend of mine lost her grandmother, and they did a memorial in the park, so that was really nice. They were still able to gather. I'm going to put my checklists down. One on each day. Oh, they're a little bit long. Oh boy, now I ripped it. They're a little bit long for the day, so I'm not going to use them. But we'll go ahead and do this way. I'm going to put Coffee Monday in. These are from White Deer State, or sorry, Winterfield Studios. Try and get them off the page. There we go. They're cut nicely. It's just me. User error. So I do that, and usually I track my Instagram followers. I failed to bring up my Instagram icons. Oh shoot, I ripped that one. Damn it. Oh, sorry. Did I say that out loud? At least I don't curse like some of the other girls. I'm gonna leave that for now. At least I don't curse like some of the other girls on some of the other channels. So Sunday I'm going to film and upload. Let me see if I can fit a box in here. Yeah, I'm going to take the pink one. Pink sparkly box. I have just enough space for it. Okay. And I usually do my recollections plan with me for Sundays. Oops. Well, I have those upside down. This plan with me is a train wreck. But then they usually are. If you know me, I always have to lift something up. And I'll put one of these little icons from Creations by Jaro. The shop is currently on vacation. The scripts were from the Prairie Planner. And these are customs, but she does carry a lot of scripts in the shop. And Wednesday I don't usually post too much, and so I'm going to use one of these really pretty mandalas from the shop from Pink Polka Dot Lily. They're available again in 25 or 35 different colors. So I'm going to put one of these in because they're just so darn pretty. There we go. I'm going to put it on Wednesday. These are the mini ones. They also come in larger sizes, but I bought the mini so that I can actually use them over boxes like this for deco. See how pretty that is? So I bought them for that, but I'm going to use one today because I can. There. See how pretty that is? Anyway, that is it for today. That is my plan with me. Short and sweet. I love how this turned out. It is just absolutely stunning. Look at all that foil. It's gorgeous. And I have a lot of the kit left over because I did use it in my PP weeks. I have so much left. Look at all of this. And so I can save this, or I can use the boxes and whatnot as the week goes on. Again, it's perfect for a B6 or a TN. There's just so much stuff. I don't know if I can get this, what my light's like. But it is stunning. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for always coming and watching my videos. It means the world to me. Please take a moment to like my video. It helps my channel. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll know when my next videos come. Take care. Have a great day. Bye now.